This is Dean Kress reporting live, channel 996 here in Brookhaven. We have Steve here. We're going to interview Black Steve. How did you get your house shoveled out so quickly? It looks, yeah. How are you dealing with the storm? Are you upset with the town right now? Yeah. Have you lost power yet to your house? It looks like everything's okay. Have you lost power? No? Have you been able to get to the grocery store? Is anyone feeding you? Oh, that's nice. How long did it take you to shovel? You did a good job. Yeah? Not really, huh? All right. Well, we'll check back with you in a few, Steve. All right? Back to News Chopper 296.